I can't tell you, this is a long time coming. This is a dream come true. And the next step is to find a T-Rex to match. So I did a video in January before I'd even officially kicked off my YouTube channel that I wanted to buy a Hellcat by the end of the year. That was my goal. That was what I set out to do for myself back in January. And I figured by the end of the year I'd be in a position to where I could try to potentially get a Hellcat. I wasn't sure if I was going to get a Charger or a Challenger, but I set that goal. And a couple months later, out of nowhere, I bought a Ram TRX. Now, I didn't buy the Ram TRX with the intention of selling it. It was a dream come true to get that thing, especially as unexpectedly as it was. And then I had an opportunity to buy a Hellcat Durango, so I sold the T-Rex and bought the Hellcat Durango. And to have a car that was one of only a few thousand built, that was an achievement in and of itself. And then I had people reaching out to me, offering me more money than I paid for it by a long shot. And I had an opportunity to buy another T-Rex, which I'd missed since I sold it the first time. So I went that route. So I sold the Hellcat Durango for a big profit, chased another T-Rex, and missed out on the T-Rex. I ended up with a Dodge Charger Hellcat wide body, and it's the 50th anniversary Daytona edition. And I love this car, but I still haven't achieved that ultimate pinnacle car that I'd set out to buy. When I was talking about, when I shot that video in January and that footage I never used, I would have been happy with a Charger or a Challenger, but the Challenger has always edged out the Charger in my mind as my dream car. Now, if money is no option, there isn't a car on this planet that I'd rather have over a Challenger Hellcat wide body, whether it be a red eye super stock or just the standard Hellcat wide body. That is my pinnacle. I don't really have interest in a lot of the exotic cars that come out of Europe. That's not really my thing. I like American muscle, and to me it doesn't get any more American muscle than the Challenger. And so right now I'm driving my Charger, and I love this car, but like I said, the Challenger is my pinnacle. Now, I did end up with the Challenger Hellcat this year. I bought my wife a Go Mango orange Hellcat for her birthday this year, and that was an awesome car, but that wasn't my dream car. I'm not big on the orange. I bought that car for her. She drove it 95% of the time, and I want the wide body. I think the wide body sets that car off. I don't feel like the standard body Challenger is equipped enough with the smaller tires to handle the power that car puts down. So the wide body was always my choice. I did enjoy the car the few times I drove it. Again, though, I'm not a big fan of orange, and that was her car. So yeah, we ended up selling that car as well and made a profit and bought the SRT Durango. We enjoyed the Hellcat Durango while we had it, and so when we sold the Hellcat Durango and we wanted to move on from orange Challenger, we knew that the moment would come at some point in the next few months that we were going to go after the wide body Challenger. So that leads us to today. I've been waiting for a couple of months now for the books to open on the 22 models, and finally I got a call this morning that the books have officially opened. You can now order a 22 model Challenger or Charger, and I'm going to do something that I've never been able to do before. I'm going to go order a car. I've bought plenty of cars. I bought plenty of cars before they hit the lot, but I've never went to a dealer and went through the ordering process and built the car that I wanted, to the exact spec that I wanted. And finally the books are open, so we're going to go over to Dodge and we're going to do that today. Now, I don't expect to receive this car anytime soon. It's probably going to be 3-4 months if I'm lucky, and that's fine because I'm not in a super big hurry. As long as I know that my car is ordered and I'm going to finally achieve my dream, that's good with me. So I'm going to head over to the Dodge dealer, sit down with Jim, my sales rep, and we're going to build this thing, and hopefully we'll take delivery of it come February, March. And I can't believe that this is really happening. So made this trip a bunch of times, at least 5 or 6 times this year, pulling into the Dodge place, pulling into the Dodge dealer. Let's get this car built. I'm so excited. I wish I could take delivery today. That's just not gonna happen. I love that Destroyer Gray 300 sitting right there. One of these days I'll get another one of those. And I was looking at, they have that performance page that's now open to the public that you can order performance parts directly from Dodge now.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I've seen that.
Deluxe security alarm. That's where people were stealing them and they were limiting them to 3 miles an hour or 3 horsepower or something. So this is new stuff.
This is new stuff.
Yeah, I saw the Hemi Orange package online. Are they going to mark this up on me? Okay, good.
No, they were starting to do that, then they were told not to.
Well, that's good. I'm happy about that.
Yeah, the new cars, they were told not to mark up the new cars.
Ford did that. That's the one thing I can give credit to Ford for. People were, dealers were marking up those Mach-E's, and they said, cut that shit out. We don't want them marked up. We want them out on the street. I know I have a YouTube subscriber that I've been in touch with on Instagram, and he ordered his T-Rex as soon as the book's opened, and he's been told that it gets pushed back, and now he's looking at December. So hopefully it doesn't go through that.
They still have some 21 Chargers they have to finish the build on, so it shouldn't be too long.
I'll be patient. No big deal. I just want to be one of the first people to get one. Ford is also offering a supercharger package done with the work done through a dealer certified repair shop, so that you can get any V8 truck supercharged up to 700 horsepower. So like with the T-Rex, that's the only Hellcat powered truck that Dodge has. But like you could take any of the 1500 models, the Laramie, the Limited, the Bighorn, hell, even a Tradesman, and then have the supercharger package added with dealer warranty. That's what Ford's doing. Dodge hasn't announced that they're doing that, but wouldn't that be nice? Because I like the T-Rex because of the Hellcat. But if I could get a Bighorn supercharged, I'd rather have a street truck than a Baja truck. And it's only a $10,000 option. Think about how much more you pay for the T-Rex for that Hellcat engine. It's like you go from 45, 50,000 for a Bighorn to 75 to 90 for a T-Rex. But if you bought a Bighorn and did the supercharger package, it's $10,000 upgrade. I've seen them do lift kits for $10,000 upcharge.
So that'll take you from
385
to 60,000 up to added 10 grand onto it.
Yeah. And when the market shifts back and rebates kick back in, you don't even have to worry about that.
So these are the colors right now, and there's no change in colors.
It looks like another purple. What's that purple under Hellraising?
That's Hellraising. This one?
Yeah.
That's Octane Red.
Oh,
it just doesn't look good on here.
Yeah, I'm gonna go with black. Because if I do a color change wrap, black will look good with everything.
So you just go basic black?
Yeah, because if I do any of the hood stuff, then I can do that after, and it'd be cheaper.
You going with those wheels? Are you going to do a package?
Yeah, the standard wheels. Red brake calipers is fine.
Black, well.
They come standard with red, and you can change it for an upcharge. Because the orange, gunmetal gray, or black are upcharged.
Which seats do you want?
The Napa leather. The Laguna leather down at the bottom.
Laguna leather?
Black, yeah, black. I don't care about the red seat belts. I actually did a video on this the other day with this exact build program.
Which?
Just the standard 8.4, but it's Uconnect 5 this year, right? Okay. Power sunroof. The automatic transmission is a $3,000 upgrade. Okay.
So you want the auto trans?
I do want it. And if it's standard with the 22s, then I want Harman Kardon. If it's an upgrade, a $3,000 upcharge with the 22s, just like it is on 21, I don't want the Harman Kardon because I wanted to cancel the other one out.
Well, if it is standard, it's just going to be a higher baseline price because it's going to be paid for somewhere.
I got you. So let's just do the power sunroof. I can do a speaker package later.
Yeah, they're not going to give anything away.
I got you.
Unfortunately.
The technology group I want, we already did the Laguna leather. I don't care about the carbon suede interior package. Let's see, there's the transmission is a $3,000 upgrade. gas guzzler tax is mandatory.
Unfortunately.
You know what? Let's go ahead and add Harman Kardon. Let me make sure I didn't miss any packages. I don't want the rear seat to lead. I don't care about the carbon suede. I think that's it. What's that one in the middle at the top? Alcantara. No, I don't want that. I got the plus package, and that's it. 80,525.
Where is mine?
So I've never seen the lot this empty. The chip shortage is just killing the car market. But my local Dodge dealership did get a couple of 22 Rebels. So we're gonna go take a look at them. I didn't even realize the 22 models were hitting the lots yet. They've got some Laramies on order that are in transit, but they've got a couple of Rebels that are already here. At first glance, the Rebels look pretty much the same, but you got the graphics package on the back. I don't see much different. There's not a big difference in how it looks. This one has the 12.9-inch screen I love. Uconnect 5. It's got the red interior accents. Reminds me of the T-Rex. This one's $65,000 without the sunroof. For $65K, I'd rather have the sunroof. I do like the graphics package on the back, but this silver right here on the wheels, they need to paint those all black. And that package needs to get all black on those wheels. Get a better look at this one. See, that one has all black on the wheels. I like that better. It's a two-tone paint scheme. You got the black on the bottom, silver up top. This is billet silver. I had a 2020 Bighorn with the same package, with this same paint. I do like the two-tone. Mine was all silver. Nice truck. This is a Rebel. That one has the 8.4-inch Uconnect. Still has Uconnect 5. This one is $61,505. All right, so we're done. 22 is in the books. Estimated arrival time is going to be somewhere in February or March. I'm one of the first in the country to get mine built. As a matter of fact, the allocations are open. You can go into your dealer and order one, but the 22 build page isn't even up and running yet. The site is down. I was told that that's a nationwide thing and that my build will go in as soon as the site comes back up. And I'll be one of the first people in the country to have officially put cash down to order one. And I can't wait to get it, man. I can't tell you, this is a long time coming. This is a dream come true. And the next step is to find a T-Rex to match. We're gonna get a T-Rex to sit next to it and match it. But we're gonna worry about that later. I probably won't build a T-Rex. I'll probably just grab one off the lot when one comes in, you know, early next year, January, February, somewhere in that time frame. So yeah, we're gonna go from there. I appreciate everybody who watches these videos. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you hit that bell so you get notified for all the videos. I appreciate you guys watching, and y'all take it easy.